What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to day 51 of my road to profitability. Today, unfortunately, we lost our funded account. Um, yeah, we've just been on a huge losing streak. I don't think we only won one trade, and that was like a break-even trade, pretty much. So, yeah, we pretty much had like I think 7 consecutive losses in a row. We just kept scaling down. Until yeah, it finally hit. Now we're back on a combine. As you can see, this was the trade that we took today. Um, Literally would have brought us back, but we missed it by 0.25 points. So that's the name of the game. I mean that's trading right there. You win some, you lose some. Obviously, the 7 trades that I took in a row were all not A plus setups. Because if they were, I wouldn't have lost 7 in a row. So I guess that's a lesson I can learn from that. But yeah, it's pretty sad. I mean, wow, I really thought I could get like a payout or something, but I got humbled pretty quick. So yeah, I mean that's the reality of trading. That's the brute reality. Let me run down the trade real quick. So we had the first confluence that I saw was that we had a new week opening gap. This is, I mean, if you guys know, it's a pretty high confluence. So the price usually wants to drag back down and at least fill in some of this before pushing higher. And I do know that we're at all-time highs, so I should be looking for longs, but like I said, this new week opening gap was here, and I was like, yeah, this should be a good spot for price to just come down a little, come down here, tap it, come back up, fill it a little bit. It's like a fair value gap on steroids, if you will. And so yeah, then I was waiting for a 5 minute liquidity sweep after post market, and we had one right here. We swept this high on NQ. Well, I deleted the drawings, but we swept London high on NQ. So we had S&T bearish, liquidity sweep plus daily bias. And then we scaled down into the 1 minute, and from here we saw a break of structure. Where was the break of structure? Now this trade is a little. Okay, so we had a break of structure, then we waited for an equilibrium retrace, which we got right here. So we almost top ticked it, like very close to top ticking it. Um, Several stops above this high and our lows. Our first take profit at London lows, second take profit at Asia lows, and then I probably would have, if we were, in this direction, I probably would have kept going lower. But yeah, it's quite unfortunate. This would have brought my account. This trade here would have brought like $500 to my account, so it would have helped a lot because we were in negative 1800 drawdown on this trade. And yeah, I mean, it happens. I'm not gonna cry about it like this. It's part of the process, part of the journey. It does suck though. Like, I mean, this is what's kind of killing me right now. Is like, wow, we were pretty much 0.25 away from securing a trade or like a first trade, but um but yeah, that's just how the markets move. So um can't really do too much about that. So we will be starting a new trading combine today. I probably should have bought it tomorrow, but like I don't know. There was a discount, so I got it for $30, which is pretty cheap. Um and yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. That's kind of it. Trading might be patched. Nah, All right, I'll catch you on the next one.